Okay, so we're looking at question 1 here, probability question, discs in a bag. We've got red, blue, green discs, and we've got probability there. And what's the probability to take a yellow? Well, because they're mutually exclusive, basically you can only pick one at a time, then the probabilities are up to 1. So if we add our 0.4 to our 0.25 to our 0.15, then that'll give you 0.8. So then if we take that away from 1, that will then give us the probability of yellow. So I'll just put P in brackets Y. Probability of yellow is 0.2. Part B. Dennis takes at random a disc from the bag. He writes down the colour of the disc. He puts the disc back into the bag. He'll do this 60 times. Work out an estimate the number of times he takes a red disc. You look at the probability of a red, and then all you do is you times that then by the number of times an experiment is taking place. So 60. So we've got 0.4 then times by 60, which will then give us 24. Question 2. Pile of sand has weight 60 kilograms. Sand is put into a small bag, medium and large bag in the ratio of this. Work out the weight of sand in each bag. So, step 1 here, we need to work out how many parts we're going to share it between. So if we add our ratio together, so we've got 2, 3 and 7, that will give us 12. So 12 parts to share into, so we need to work out what one part will be. So we take the total, divide that then by 12. So 12 into 60 then goes 5. So one part is 5. And then we go into the ratio and times each individual bit by 5. So I get 10, 15, and 7 times 5 is 35. The check for you there is to add these up to make them sure it equals to 60, then you've done it right. And then you just put these values, small, medium and large, in the spaces provided in question 2. Come back with question 3. We've got Julie is X years old, Kevin is X plus 3 years old, and Norma is 2X years old. Write an expression in terms of X for the mean of their ages. Well, the mean, what do we do with the mean? Well, we add the numbers together. So we add X plus 3 plus 2X, and then we divide it all by 3 because there's 3 people. So X plus 2X is 4X plus 3, all divided by 3. So that's as far as you can go there. Don't try and cancel anything else, because there isn't a common factor of 3 running up through the top. Question 4. James wants to find out how long his friends spend using the internet. He used this question and his questionnaire. Write down 2 things wrong with his question. Well, first of all, there isn't a time frame. So no time frame in question, i.e. in a month, in a week, etc. So that's the first one, because you don't know how long you spend using the internet if you've not got a definition of how long your time is that you're taking it between. And the second one, there's overlapping boxes. You've got 5 and 10 hours in 2 boxes. Part B. Write a better question for James to use on his questionnaire to find out how long his friends spend using the internet. So what I want first of all is how many hours in a week do you use the internet? So that's the question. And then what you also need then is the response boxes. So I want 0 hours in there. Could have been another one at the top. Nothing 0. I'll actually add something to this and then just put to the nearest hour. By doing that, it makes it easy then to create your boxes, because then you can put 1 to 2 hours, 3 to 4 hours, and then fit one more, 5 hours plus. That's question 4 done.